weekender at Goodwood. Long awaited, big anticipated. Last year's was cancelled due to coronavirus. Year before I went in the Proton. Year before that I came in the Acty, which was the first year. It was on hydraulics but still in the mint green paint scheme. So hopefully all will run well in the Acty today. First stop is a meeting point to pick up 2 of the cars for the convoy. Got Gav in an MG midget and his mate Matt in, I think, Seat Leon, a modern car to accompany us on the route down. As always in my Acty, taking the A roads for a more leisurely drive, somewhere it's easier to stop off if anything goes wrong, less of it to be coming out again. But it's also nice and more scenic and things to see. Planning a 2-leg route. First stop off about halfway will be Abingdon. Should be taking the route down A46 past Coleshill, picking up the A34 down through past Oxford to Abingdon, and then from there we'll make our way down to Goodwood in Chichester through the New Forest, I think. Waze sat-nav app on my phone today for the first time. It's got speedo built in, so
Speed camera reported ahead.
there you go. It's probably a bit more accurate than my analog speedo. Gear change. Weather for it anyway. You're probably bored about me talking about the weather, but it makes a massive difference in little old cars and little old trucks. speedo against the sat nav, and at 30 miles an hour it is accurate, spot on. Sometimes it's worth it just to do that, just for a few journeys, just to compare, just so you know for future how much you can trust the speedo, or to make manual adjustments as you're driving. Not far off the meeting point now anyway, for the convoy. Really I should get a proper dock for my phone, but I want something that's removable so I can just take it out when I'm at shows. I used to stick it up on the dashboard there before I had the dashboard flocked. I'm still recording, I've just checked, it's good.